All my dear students, welcome to online classes of the Good Shepherd Education Center and the Asa National English School. The students of class 3rd, the lesson 3rd, true person. Now, today I will do the question answer, difficult words and the word meaning. So now let's start. Now, firstly we do the difficult words. Difficult words is first ancient, second hungry, third caught, fourth thief, fifth precious, sixth loft, seventh majesty, eighth commanded, ninth cheated, and the last is honor. Now, the students of class 3rd, you write down these difficult words in your fair notebook 3 times like this. So, you write down and learn it also. Now, we come on the word meaning. First is precious. Precious means very valuable. Cheated, behave in a dishonest way. Treasure, a person who is responsible for money belonging to a group. Excuse, forgive. Boft, bent. Sprout, to begin to grow. Stealing, thefting. Now, the students of class 3rd, you write down this word meaning in your fair notebook and learn it properly. Now we come on the question answer. Question number first, why did fruit seller catch the man? Answer is, the fruit seller caught the man because he had stolen a pear as he was very hungry. Now I am repeated once again. Why did the fruit seller catch the man? The answer is, the fruit seller caught the man because he had stolen a pear as he was very hungry. Question number second, what would happen to the pear seed when it was planted? And answer is, when the pear seed was planted, it will sprout in a day and bear a fruit of gold. Now the question number third, according to the thief, who was the only person who could plant the magic seed? Answer, according to the thief, the person who had never cheated, stolen or spoken a lie can plant the seed. Question number 4, why did not anyone come forward to plant the seed? Answer, no one come forward to plant the seed as they all had cheated, stolen or spoken lies sometimes in their lives. Now, your question answer is completed and we come on the one word question answer. Now, let's start. Question number first, where did poor man live? Answer, China. Question number second, what did the poor man stole from the market? Answer, a pear. Question number third, why did a poor man stole pear from market? Answer, he was so hungry. Question number 4, who caught the poor man? Answer, a fruit seller. Question number 5, what did the poor man pulled out from his pocket? Answer, brown pear seed. Now we come on the sixth question. Sixth question is, whose face grew red? Answer is Emperor's. Spelling is Emperors. Now we come on the seventh question. Name any two people whom king ordered to plant the seed. Answer is Prime Minister and Treasurer. Now we come on the eighth. Who planted the seed? Answer, no one. 9. What kind of fruit? Question number 9. What kind of fruit the pear tree would bear? Answer, gold fruit. Question number last. And who bowed the head and set the poor man free? Answer is the emperor. Now the students of class 3rd, your third chapter of English is completed. So you write down in your notebook and learn it properly. Thank you and have a nice day.